What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Big Bob's back in here. So today I'm going to be working on a Teraflex hand throttle that I got from my Jeep Cj7. Alright, so the kit came with some instructions. Got a few stickers. The actual throttle itself is like some bike style throttle. We have some bolts, nuts, and spacers, bracket, some washers. We have some zip ties. We have the outer casting for the outer casing, for the cable, and we also have the throttle cable right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. worrying about messing with the clutch and the gas pedal, and the gas pedal and the brakes at the same time. This is back at 0. And I know the video never gives a hill justice, but this is a nice size grade, and this is what I was climbing as I was recording the thing. All right. That's the install of the Teraflex hand throttle. My Jeep doesn't really jump a lot when I do the when I'm driving, but I can have more control and I don't have to worry about hitting the gas and the clutch and the brake all at the same time. I could just use that. So it was something that I had on my Christmas list. My parents bought for me. It was a fairly easy install. It's a little different from my setup because I have the Chevy 350, not the 4.2 liter in there. So anyway, Big Bob's back in here. Peace and I'm out.